Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine and I'm so excited guys that you're here, and I'm also excited that I'm finally feeling better. That's the reason why I haven't done some of the other videos, but I'm glad that I was feeling better. I went over this new ad and I was surprised to see some printables as well as some coupons that we're expecting this Sunday. So if you need some of those printables, they're gonna be in the box below. All you have to do is click it open and you could just click on that link. So let's just get started with May. This is if you have this CRT. I've been seeing this CRT for a while now. So the deal is buy 12 get 4, the limit is 6. So what you could do is buy an eyeshadow and lipstick. This way you reach 15 if you have that CRT. You use 2 coupons that we're expecting on Smart Source this Sunday, and that CRT, so that'll deduct $9. You get back 4 ECB, making it 99 cents each. But if you don't have that CRT, it will be $3.49 each. So that would be a good deal if you have any of those CRTs. This is the one that I was surprised to see the coupon for. So that is if you want to do this deal, the coupon is going to be in the box below. So what you could do is, this deal is for Boost is buy 1 get 1 50% off. When you buy 2 you get 4. When you buy 4 you get 10. So what you could do is buy 4 for $26.97. That's the price that I seen it in my store. Use 4 of those coupons from Retail Me Not or printables. If you have the printable, get back 10 ECB, making it $2.74. But keep in mind that sometimes we get CRTs for Boost, so that will make it a really good deal. We usually get this deal for free and Moneymaker. The only reason why I'm showing it to you, in case there is a coupon that does pop up, that we will know to keep an eye on this one. So you could buy the Arnie Hair, the cream, or the Calendula cream for $9.49. If there's any printables, it will be really good. And in coupons, you will get back 6 ECB when you buy one. But also there's an offer on Ibotta that's going to give you cash back of 2. So even without coupons, that comes out to $149. But if you have any CRTs for this item, or you have any, or we get any coupons, because the coupon that I saw, it only applies for a certain amount of ounce, so that's why it's not included in here. So we have the cash card, and I'm going to show you a few deals for the cash card. This one is buying the Scott tissue for $7.99 and the Scott towel for $5.49. Also Tide Pods. So you want to make sure you buy 2 of the Scott tissue for $7.99. So right there you reach $31.90. There is printable coupons for the Scott tissue and the towel, so you'll be able to print those, and also use the CVS app for the Tide Pods. There's a coupon for $2. You get back the cash card for $10, making it $3.58 for each item, which is pretty good for the Scott tissue. Another deal idea, well, in this case, is if you just want to buy 1 of the Scott tissue, so you could just buy 1. You could buy the L'Oreal hair care for 2 for $8. The whole blends and the Garnier Fructis are both 2 for $7. So right there you reach the $30. Most of the coupons are expected this Sunday. That is going to be $3 for the Garnier, and the $4 is going to be for the L'Oreal and the whole blends, I believe, and the 50 cents printable for Scott. You get back the 10 cash card, making it $1.21 for everything, since it's including that Scott tissue. This is another great idea as well. This is also for the cash card deal idea. What you could buy is buy 2 of the Huggies. I put pull-ups because that is what the offer is for Ibotta. And there's so many great coupons there as well. L'Oreal treatment for $4.99 and the Tide Pods for $4.94. You use the coupon. You will use 2 coupons for the pull-ups, but I also saw in CVS app a coupon for $1.50. So it depends on the coupon that you do have, you'll be able to use. You will use 3 for the L'Oreal treatment and $2 in the app for the Tide Pods. Once you use all those coupons, remember they're printables and they're also in the CVS app, and one of them I think is expected this Sunday for the L'Oreal. You will get 10 for the cash card, but submit your receipt to Ibotta. For the pull-ups, you should get $2 for each one, making it $1.73. This is a really good deal. This one, it's an okay deal. Usually we see them free, but for 69 cents is not bad at all. So what you could do is buy the Colgate Optic White for $3.19. Use the coupon that we got last week, Smart Source 331. And don't forget to scan your card because everybody's going to be getting an instant coupon of $2. So right there is going to be a savings of $2. There's not going to be no ECB, so your final price will be 69 cents. If you have any CRTs that has to do with Colgate or toothpaste, then this will be a good time to be able to use and see if that will be a better offer for you this week. So the next deal is, I was also surprised for the coupons for this one. So what you could do is buy 3. At least the price I saw it in my store is for $7.49, but you just need to buy 20 to get 10. I used 3 of those coupons. You could print them on the Retail Me Not 3 of March 3rd. You get back 10 ECB, making it $2.66 each. But remember, this is the price in my store. If it's in your store a little bit less, then you will save a lot more since you will be able to reach 20 a lot sooner. Irish Spring body wash, the deal is if you buy one you get $2 and it's a limit of 4, so you could do this up to 4 times. So you could buy 2 for $3.99 or just buy 1 for $3.99. Use a coupon from Retail Me Not 3. That will deduct $1, but you get back 2 ECB, making it 99 cents. The reason why I put 2 is just in case you do have any CRTs that has to do with body wash, you'll be able to use it, and it could be a really good deal or almost free. So that's why I wanted to share it with you. This one I'm surprised to see a coupon for $1 and it's still available, so that's going to be in the description box. What you could do is buy 2 of these pea stick. The deal is buy 1 and get $2 and the limit is 2, so buy 2. Use 2 of those printables at deduct $1. You get back $4 in ECB, making it free. So this is a free deal. No inserts necessary. All you have to do is print a coupon. You could just do this 1 time and you could do it 2 times. I didn't see any limits, at least on the coupon, but if there is, I will write that in the description box as well. So this is a free offer and I think it's a really good deal. Sometimes when you see a deal with CRTs, you'd be like, oh, I don't have that CRT, I'm gonna skip on that deal. But even without the CRT, this will make it 32 cents each, so it's really a good deal to do. If not, it will be a money maker. So what you could do is buy 3 of the Extreme Schick disposables. If you can see, there's different options, so just buy 3 of those for $5.99. The deal is you buy 15, you get 5 ECB. Use 3 coupons that we're expecting this Sunday, the Smart Stores. 3 of those that will deduct $4 each. And if you have the CRT, it will deduct $16. You get back 5 ECB, making it free and a nice money maker. But like I mentioned, if you don't have that CRT, it would just be 32 cents each. So it's a wonderful deal. That's a crazy deal. This one is also a good deal. I've been looking at this item. It does say waterproof. It does say mascara. So I hope that the coupon is included. The deal for Rimmel is buy 10, get 5. And we did receive a coupon on Smart Source 331 saying that if you buy mascara, you get the liner free. So you could buy the eyeliner for $4.99 and you buy this mascara for $4.59. You use that coupon, so it should deduct $4.49. You get back 5 ECB, making it free, and 41 cents money maker. But just be on the lookout because you might find this in your store, or you might find another item that might make it a better deal. But this could be a really good deal, especially if you like those acne Neutrogena items. So the deal is buy 30, get 10, and there's a printable there for the moisturizer. And if you have a CRT, deducting 5 off 22 for facial cleansers, this will be perfect. So what you could do is buy 2 of the acne cleanser and acne moisturizer. Use that coupon, deducting 2 for the moisturizer and that CRT. You will get back 10 ECB, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for the acne products, which are the cleansers. Make sure you do scan it in the store to make sure that it does qualify, that you will get back the cash back. And your total will be $9.37 or $3.12 each, but it depends. There's many printable coupons that you could use, and you could just mix and match to see which one will be a better deal for you. This Sunday, once you scan your card on the Redbox machine, we're expecting a mystery coupon for L'Oreal and Maybelline. It did not say that you need to use them separate, so that's just an idea in there in case you want to mix and match. Here's the deal idea that I'm sharing. You could do the Fit Me, the blush for $5.79 and the eyeshadow for $3.99. Use the coupon that we did get in the Retail Me Not 317 that will deduct $2 for the Fit Me products, and then if you use that mystery coupon, let's say it's $3, it will deduct now an amount of $5 in coupons. You get back 5 ECB, making it free for both of those items. This is a coupon that we're expecting as well this Sunday for Jergens, and this is just an idea because this is the price that I see in my store. You could buy 2 of the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. Use the coupon that we're expecting this Sunday that will deduct $3 on each. And if you have the CRT deducting 3 off 10 in lotion, you could use that as well. So right there it's going to deduct $9. But you get back 4 ECB, making it $1.49 for each. But as you can see, the regular price is $7.99. So it's not bad at all. And if you don't have that CRT, it will be $2.99 each. Guys, these were all the best deals I was able to get so early in the week, but I'm gonna keep looking at the ad, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel because once I see anything else, I will create a video. But also I like to post those in my blog at excitedforcoupons.com. You could visit me there or through social media as well. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video, especially for beginners that are starting with couponing. There's so many great deals, especially freebies, and a lot of them are printable coupons, so they could just get started just printing those coupons. So thank you so much for watching, for your support, and until the next video, bye.